Hello! Welcome to Allie and Sidney's Animal Cell City. The cell membrane is the glass dome because it acts like a barrier. Our first stop is the City Hall, or the nucleus. It is like the nucleus because it contains the city's information, records, and controls the city. This is the train station. This represents the endoplasmic reticulum because it transports goods through the city, like the cell. You can also change the direction in which the cart goes. And there it is. Next is the sugarcane factory. This is like the mitochondria because it breaks down sugar molecules to make energy. This is the trash dump. This is like the lysosomes because it gets rid of old cells and digests food molecules. These are the animal spawners, or the ribosomes, because they create proteins, or in this case, animals. We have llamas, cows, chickens, and sheep. The storage building is the Golgi apparatus. It packages and modifies proteins made by the cell. These are iron golems, which act as the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm protects cell organelles like iron golems protect their village. Last but not least, this is the vacuole. It holds all the water that the cell needs, or the city. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something. And here's a nod of respect from Carl. Now
Hey
to
guys,
Sidney.
it's Sidney
And Allie.
and this is our cell. You can probably see the giant brown wall there that is covered in paintings. Yes, I decorated it, but I just thought it was cool, so we'll roll with it. Because there's a cell wall, it's probably a plant cell because animal cells don't have cell walls. It's decorated because there's that door painting thing. Yeah, that was neat. So now we are in the cell membrane. The cell membrane is semi-permeable and only some things can get through it. That's what semi-permeable means. There you can see my iron golem. He is a cytoplasm. Cytoplasms protect all the inner organelles from bad things. Up above there that I just went through, there was the vacuole. The vacuole is just a giant water tank that holds a bunch of extra water in case all the outside sources ever run out. I'm currently headed up to our next stop, which is, wait for it, it is the nucleus. So we are now in the nucleus. In there, you see my mayor and my vice mayor, because this is a town hall. And behind them, there's bookshelves to hold all the DNA that is stored in the nucleus. So there's my nucleus, town hall. Next stop, we have the ribosomes. So the ribosomes is just pretty much where all the protein is made. That's what ribosomes are. So I did meat animal spawners to represent the protein being made. And there's a chicken. Okay. Next stop, we have the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus, if I can get in this door, there we go, is a storage room. I've represented the Golgi apparatus as just sort of a storage library because the bookshelves hold books and the chests hold other items. So over here is pretty much just a second one because I had an extra building and they're connected. So here I have the chloroplast. The chloroplast is where the photosynthesis happens. It is where the plant uses the sun's energy to make food. So I just have food growing, plants growing. And then there's also a chicken there for some reason. That's cool. So down here we have the mitochondria. The mitochondria is the energy plant. In an actual cell, the mitochondria takes sugar and turns it into energy, which is a neat way of making energy, but I couldn't really do that because it's Minecraft. So what I did instead is I used beacons because they make energy. So up here is the last spot in our cell, and this is the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is pretty much a giant train that goes all over the place, transporting everything everywhere.